Hello there, just got done watching the movie The Bye-Bye Man.
Oh, you said it! Oh, God.
I did. Dang it.
Oh, no.
Dang it. It's from 2017. It's a 1 hour and 35 minute PG-13 rated horror film. It's 3 college students move into an off-campus house and discover an unwittingly unleashed, or they've unwittingly unleashed a supernatural killer known as the Bye-Bye Man.
Oh, you did it twice. We're doomed. We're doomed.
This was actually a pretty good movie.
Yeah, it was good.
I'm kind of surprised it was rated PG-13, just because it seemed like, I don't know, I felt like, I mean, there was partial nudity in it. There was some blood and violence and even a little bit of sex. So I'm kind of surprised that, it wasn't rated R. But yeah, I would recommend this. I'd give this easily a 4 out of 5.
Yeah, it's a good 4.
For the story, they did a really good job with it. Yeah, there was one performer in this movie that I felt like did a really crappy job acting. But I'm not going to call that person. I'm not going to say who I thought did a poor job on it. If you've seen the Bye-Bye Man, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. I will see if I can find a link and link it below. And yeah, if you have not seen that movie,
you've already said it 3 times. We're already doing it. You want to say it a 4th time.
If you have not seen that movie, do you typically watch horror films? I know that some of you do and some of you don't, but if you haven't let me know before, let me know again. But thanks so much for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!